In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira and Slack. By the end, you'll have your Jira issues talking directly to your Slack channels, so you and your team can stay on top of work without constantly switching tabs. We'll start inside Slack. Open your Slack workspace and look for the app directory. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this on the left-hand side, under the list of channels, or by clicking on the More or Apps option. Once you're in the app directory, use the search bar at the top and type in Jira Cloud. This is the official app that connects your Slack workspace with your Jira projects. When you see the Jira Cloud app in the results, click into it. On the app's page, you should see a button that says something like Add to Slack or Install. Go ahead and click that. Slack will now show you a list of permissions the app needs, such as access to channels or messages where it will post Jira updates. Take a moment to quickly review these so you understand what the app can do, then confirm and grant the permissions. After you approve the app in Slack, you'll be redirected to a page to log into your Atlassian account, which is what Jira uses. If you're not already signed in, enter your usual Jira credentials and continue. You may need to pick the specific Jira site or workspace you want to connect, especially if your account has access to multiple sites. Confirm that you want to link this Jira site with your Slack workspace and complete the authorization. Once the connection is authorized, head back into Slack. Now it's time to link a specific Jira project to a channel so your team actually starts seeing updates. Open the Slack channel where you want Jira notifications to appear, for example, a project-specific or team channel. In the message box, type a command like Jira Connect or Jira Subscribe and send it. Slack will guide you through selecting which Jira project you want to connect to that channel. Follow the prompts to pick the project and, if available, choose what types of updates you want to receive, such as new issues, status changes, or comments. When you finish, Slack will confirm the subscription. From here on, Jira activity from that project will start showing up directly in your Slack channel, helping your team stay in sync and react to changes much faster.